Hello everyone on YouTube, welcome to another video. Today we got some amazing things here that we're going to unbox. Yes, we're going to use the record player today. I'm going to use that as a tripod, so I'm going to turn it this way. Hopefully it doesn't interfere with y'all's view. So, because I got my cyan hammock, I'm going to move that in a little bit. I'm going to move it this way a little bit. There we go. Just moving some stuff around. I'm going to start with this box first. So here we go. You know, I'll tell you what, I'm going to start with this big box down here. Start with, where's that big box at? Hold on a second, YouTube. Today's been kind of a crazy day at school, but no worries, it's at an end. But I'm going to have fun with you guys because I'm going to unbox something for you. My box is kind of wet, but it's so cool. I'm going to open it. We've got something here. There must be something in here awesome. Go ahead and unbox this. Hopefully y'all can see this. I'm going to put it up here so y'all can see it as well. So it looks like part of a roller coaster. Oh wait. No, it's not. It's not a roller. Oh, it's a RGB spotlight. Wow. It's got the controller, so that's cool. I'm going to open it up. Wow, look at that, YouTube. Wow, I'm going to take this out. I'm going to put this in my pocket for now because I'm going to throw it away later on. But there it is. Oh, I think it kind of went out. But it's got the spot control right there. It's got different colors. There's the beam right there. There's the part where you aim right there. Wow, this is going to be awesome. It's going to be for my disco ball. So this is going to be amazing. It's a pin spot. I think this also has you can do a wash light. It's got that in there. That's cool. Let's see how much it goes out. Okay, you can take that completely out, but you want to make sure it's in there. And we'll definitely turn this on when we are finished. We're gonna see how bright this thing is. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see what else is in here. This is for my disco ball. Well, not my Spryak. I am going to be comparing the lights. Oh, we got the bracket here too. That's cool. Okay, so we got that. Alright. Now, okay, that's it right there. Now I'm going to unbox this for y'all. Hope I can get it unboxed. It's kind of wet here because the rain it was raining today, but no worries. I'm going to unbox it for y'all. We're going to unbox this. I know it's going to be kind of turning into a long video, but we're going to have fun. I did order this also off Amazon, so let's see what we can do. Oh, there we go. Like that. There we go. Okay. Let's see what we have. Open it. Looks like we have something. Let me see if this works. Let's see. Let me go ahead and untie this zip tie because I want to see if this works or not. This must be your power cord for whatever this is. So it's 9 volts. This would be a 9-volt power cord, but I want to see if this works. It's a good thing this was on. Looks like that's a long power cord. Okay, I'm going to pause the video here. And then we'll test this out first. So let me just pause here for a second. Alright, YouTube, I'm really excited to see what this is. I just plugged this in, so I'm going to turn it on.
Pairing.
Look at that, YouTube. Look at that. It works. Whoa, It works. That's a new power cord for my wockoder record player. All right, that is just awesome. All right, got my record player working again, so I'll be able to play some more records. Awesome. I'll be able to throw this away. Okay, I need to keep that here. All right, awesome. Now, time for the most awesome thing yet. All right, I'm going to. All right, let me make sure that's undone. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take this zip tie off. Here we go, YouTube. Oh, man. This is going to be so awesome. This is going to be so awesome. I don't know if y'all know this, but I'm composing a new piano sonata. Y'all can go check that out. It's going to be on Cyan Music. Oh, YouTube. Wait until y'all see what this is. Oh, my gosh. This is going to be so awesome. Yeah, it's got a thumb screw right there, so you can. Ooh, this is gonna be so awesome! Wow, I'm so excited. I know you're all dying to see this. This is gonna be so awesome. Okay, let's plug it in and see what this does. I'm probably gonna turn off the light for this video. All right, here we go, YouTube. You know what? Let me back this in a little bit. I'm gonna lay this right there for a second. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Let me plug it in. Make sure that's in. All right, there we go. All right, let's see what this does. All right, here's the on button. Let's see what it does. Where is the? Does this thing have a power switch on it? I know it's been in the box, so let's see if there's a power switch that we have to turn on. Is there a power supply on the front? Oh, look at that, YouTube. Oh, all right. I'm gonna aim it today. Oh, nice. Okay. Look at that. It's got red. It's got. Oh, that's awesome. That's just amazing. That's bright. Wow, just look at that, YouTube. That is amazing. Wow. You know what? Can this be used as a wash light? I'm sure it can. Let me go ahead and set this down. You know what? Let me go ahead and make this. I'm going to bring this out. Oh, that's so cool. So that is a pin spot. We can use that. Wow, this is going to be so awesome, YouTube. Oh, you can make the pin a lot smaller. Wow. You can bring it in to where it's a bigger spot, right? That is so cool, YouTube. You know what? Hold on. Turn it off. I'm going to see if it can be used as a wash light. I'm going to take this out. See what it does. Alright, I'm going to set this right there for now. Let's see what this does. Okay, no, so it does need the lens. Let's see, can it work? Let's see, there's the bulb right there. Okay, so we know that does work. Okay, let's see if it'll do a wash. It can. Okay, so it can kind of do a wash light. That's cool. That is awesome. Amazing. Wow, that is so cool. That is so cool. Well, I'm going to put the lens back on. Oh, that is so cool. It's doing the... Okay, there's red, green, blue, white, red, green, blue. I'm going to go to the lens, the spot lens back on. There we go. I'm looking forward to sharing this with y'all. You know what? I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to tighten this back in. I don't know about y'all, but I'm really excited. This is going to be so awesome. Let's see what happens when I aim it up there. Aim it up the disco ball. You know what? Oh, there we go. Hold on. Let me turn off the light for y'all. I know this is kind of a long video, but this is going to be awesome. Alright, there we go. Oh, this is so awesome. You know what? Hold on. I'm going to take my phone off the record player for y'all, and we're going to look at this. Alright, so there's red, green, blue, white. Alright, let's see what else it does. So I'm going to aim it there. There's red. See what else it does. Okay, that's red. Can also do, okay, let's see what we're on. Okay, that's white, red, blue, green. Okay, that's red, yellow. Okay, that's blue, green, and red. Let's see what other mode. Let's see what it has down here. So it's got red, green. Okay, it's got red, it's got green, it's got blue. This middle button right here does white. Wait. Okay, yeah, that's white right there. So we have blue, green, red. We have oh, is it doing yellow? That's cool. Let's see. There's red. There's green, and there's blue. Oh, there's white again, red again, green again. Let's see what else it does. Okay, there's red, green, blue, and white. Red, okay. So we got that. Let's see what else it does. Let's see. Can I get it to do anything else? Well, let's see. We have. There's blue. You know what? Let me go ahead and set my camera back up on the record player. I love the fact that I got a new power cord for my record player, so that's good. That's awesome. I'm going to put on white, and I'm going to aim it up at the... Oh, look at that, YouTube. Wow. Look at that. Right up at the disco ball. You know what? That is just amazing. That is awesome. Wow. You know what? Let me go over here. There's gotta be. Wow, look at that, YouTube. Look at that. Okay, so what I want to do. Okay, so for this to work, we have. Oh, that's right. So I can take this off. Grab my. Let me see where I put my thumb. So it's got a thumb screw right there. That's pretty good. That is just awesome. All right, now let me get my. Okay, I got my thumb screw, which is good. Let me go ahead and set that back in there. see where did I put my, oh, there it is. Okay, that's awesome. So let me go ahead and adjust this back. And we can go ahead and put, let's see how this is supposed to work. Okay, so it goes right on. Okay, so it goes right here. Almost. Oh wait, maybe it should go like this. Okay, no it does. Okay, so it goes on this part right here. Okay. So we know it goes right there. And so we want to go ahead and get that in there. And then we will wedge this in there. I know it's kind of bright. I know y'all look forward to this YouTube. I have my light off right now. That way we can close. Sorry about that. It's got a little mounting bracket for it. Let's see if there's any other. Oh, I see what. Okay, so probably what we need to do is take this. Okay, so it goes back here. Oh, almost. Almost. Okay, so this part goes back here, and that part goes right there. Okay. That big screw. Oh, it's got a nut included. That's awesome. That's good. So we have, let me go ahead and assemble this together. I will go ahead and put this on here where the nut goes. Okay, sit right there, just like that. Let's see. Let me do it like this. Sorry, I know it's, I'll face the light that way y'all can have fun watching it while I'm doing this. So we're gonna mount this part on here, this big piece right there, just the nut and the washer. And now we're going to, if y'all can still see me, if y'all can, that's good. So I don't think this has like the full RGB cyan light stuff, but we're gonna try it. Okay, so now we're gonna take our little screw, thumb screw, and we're going to put it through almost. Let me go turn on the light real quick. Let me go turn on the light real quick. Alright, this is just awesome. So not really any cyan light on this one, but it's cool. You know what? I'll plug in my Monster Bar and we'll see what this looks like under colored lighting. I got the white variant of this thing, so okay. But we'll see what it looks like under colored lighting. Okay, so I'm supposed to go on like that. Okay, let's see. That's how it's supposed to go on. Okay. And we just plug it in like this. And then, okay, kind of. So, slide it on there. Yeah, sorry about that. That's my clock going off. I'm going to try it this way. We'll see where it takes us. So slide that on. Oh, I missed it. I know I can do this. Okay, so it goes like that. And we're going to slide it on like that. Let's see how this aligns. Okay. So we want it to go like this. I know this is taking a long time, guys, but trust me, we'll get this up. We'll get this on there. We can get this on there. Just trust me, it's taking a while, but we can get it on. Okay, so it goes on like that. Set the screw up. Let me grab this and set that right there, because that's actually how it's supposed to go. Just like that. And we're going to take our thumb screw and we're going to slide this into position. We're just going to screw it in. Look at that. Alright, let me turn it this way a little bit. Oh, okay. I don't want to do that. Okay. As long as we can get do that. Okay. Good. Okay, let's see if I can get it to point that way. Okay, so you can mount it this way on the wall. I can mount it that way. Aim it to where we move with the disco ball. Okay, so what I want to do is actually aim it. I can always mount it like this, and okay, close. Let me get this on there. Okay, not quite there, but we got the mounting bracket on. Alright, we got that on. Alright, here we go. I'm going to set this right there. You know what, I can actually aim it up at the light. You know what, hold on. Let me go turn off the light and see. I know this is a long video, YouTube, but we got it working again. Oh, we also got the record player working again. So let's see how this, you know what I can do? I can put something up here to kind of support the light. That way it can hang up. It can look up to the disco ball. So I'm going to support it right. Nope. Almost. Sit like that. Oh, almost like that. And then wedge this under there. Oh, not quite. Okay, not quite, not quite, not quite. But we do have ourselves. Oh, look at that, YouTube. Wow, look at that. Let's bring it in here. Wow, just look at that. Look at that, YouTube. Look at that. Right there. That is so cool. That'll be awesome. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, wow. You know what? Hold on. Let me give the disco ball a spin. And we'll set the light there, and I will be back. I'll spin the disco ball and we'll look at it. Go over here and I'll spin the disco ball. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right. Let's see what this does. And the light. Now, let me grab my camera for y'all so y'all can see it. Off the record player. All right. Hold the camera in one hand and the light in the other. And we will point it to the disco ball. All right, YouTube, here we go. Look up there. All right, aim it right at the disco ball. Good thing I got this pin spot. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that, YouTube. All right, now that is awesome. That is my new RGB pin spotlight for my disco ball and my new power cord for my wockoder record player. You know what? Now I'm going to get my Spreac. You know what? I'm going to put it on blue. Let me put it on blue. And we're going to see how the disco ball compares to the blue light on the headlamp. You know what? I'll put my... Oh, almost. I dropped something. Give me a second. That's my old Suzuki harmonica case. That is so cool. Awesome. Now this is a 15 watt light, so it is fairly bright. You know what? I know what I will do. I will pause the camera and I will put it on. Well, YouTube, I was not able to get the Spreac out, but I got my headlamp. So I'm gonna put the lamp over here, and I'm gonna put the bulb. I'm gonna lay my new light right there. Oh, that is bright. Now that is used as a wash light. I can use this as a wash light. It can be used as a disco light, but you still get color everywhere with this lamp. Now compare that to this. Now they're actually the same brightness, because look over there. Now if I aim this right here, so this, now I want to say this is a 10 watt lamp, but that right there is bright. Now compare that with this. It's closer. Now, it may not appear bright on camera. Let me wipe my camera off a little bit. It may not appear bright on camera, but that right there is bright. You may not be able to see it, but that's bright. Compare that to the lamp. That is bright. Now, that's just awesome. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my lamp right next to the light bulb. I'm going to get the light bulb, my new light. Sorry about that. I got stuff I need to clean up. Right there. I'm going to grab the remote. We're going to do red. Oh, look at that. There's magenta. And guess what? Magenta and cyan. All right, there we go. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.